Hi, this is Diane with 10 simple tips for a healthier diet. So let's get started with small diet changes that will improve your overall health. Number 1, eat slower. There's no rush. Researchers found that fast eaters eat more and gain more weight than slower eaters. Number 2, eat whole grain bread instead of white bread. Whole grain bread has fiber, B vitamins, zinc, plus iron, magnesium, and manganese, which reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, as well as cancer. Number 3, replace regular yogurt with Greek yogurt because the Greek yogurt has 2 times more protein, which helps you feel fuller longer, reducing your food intake and helping you to lose weight. Number 4, grocery shop with a list. Shopping with a list prevents impulse buying and helps you stay focused on the healthy selections. Number 5, eat eggs for breakfast. Replacing your current breakfast with eggs helps you feel fuller because eggs are a high-quality protein with lots of essential nutrients that help keep you healthy. Number 6, increase protein intake. Protein is the nutrient king that helps you feel fuller longer, curbs unhealthy cravings, and reduces the chances of overeating while maintaining muscle mass and increasing calorie burn. Number 7, drink water instead of sugar-laden beverages. Drinking water increases weight loss, reduces appetite and food intake, and decreases calorie intake from sugar beverages. Number 8, bake meats in the oven and roast fish in the oven instead of grilling or frying in the skillet. Grilling or frying meat and fish adds toxic compounds to your diet. Baking and broiling meat and fish makes your food healthier, which drastically improves your health. Number 9, eat baked potatoes instead of trans fat French fries, which have 300 more calories than baked potatoes. Number 10, eat fresh fruits instead of drinking fruit juices. The fiber in fresh fruit reduces the risk of diabetes because it slows digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes. For more health and wellness information, see the links in the description. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you like this content, please like, comment, share with family and friends, and subscribe. Bye-bye.